Welcome to VideoWiki. This is a platform where you can easily create your own videos. Integrated on the Microsoft Teams platform, you just have to click on Let's Get Started and everything is ready to go. You can copy and paste your text, upload a document with a script you want to turn into a video, or just provide a link to the website or blog that contains the information you want. Then, choose a title and you're ready to continue. Just click on Create Scenes. In the next section, the library, VideoWiki automatically divides the information from your script and creates scene recommendations for each block of text, based on keywords. The user can choose the video he likes best for each scene, upload his own video, or search for different videos if he is not happy with the options presented. In the course section, you can add a description for each scene. Then, in sound, you can search for music you want to add to the video, from jazz to rock or hip-hop. Again, you can also upload a specific song you want. In addition to music, it is also possible to record your own voice directly, explaining a theme or developing a topic. And that's it, your video is ready. You can preview, publish and download it. It is also possible to upgrade it by giving it paid access.